Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 5th. I'll be touching base on how the market is reacting currently. The market opened a while back, and right now the Nasdaq is down by about 1.14%. If you're Nasdaq heavy in your portfolio, I know you'll notice some dip, but we might see some recovery because I think the job loss report is out and it looks kind of promising. So I think that's why some stocks are kind of going up. So I think there's an article here: strong US jobs reports and stocks higher on Wall Street. And then also tech stocks are kind of having a really hard time. You can see composite DJ is up by about 0.26%, and the SPY is also up by just a mere 0.04. Looks like it's going up. Let's see for the week. You can see the SPY has just been going down. My portfolio currently, I have Tesla is the biggest share of my portfolio, I think 30%. So I've taken a proper beating in Tesla for the last few weeks. But one thing to remind you guys is don't panic sell. This is just normal. Even if it goes down to below your cost basis, if you have some money to spend, you can add more. But the big question is, when is the dip ending? So personally, I think the dip ends when pretty much everybody starts freaking out and they sell out of their position, even if it's a loss, and a lot of people kind of just sell off. And then the big guys who have a lot of cash at hand will step in and just buy the dips, and at that point, that's when the prices will go up. So just try and be calm. It's very tough seeing your portfolio go down. I think mine for the last 2 weeks, I'll say it's down by about 50k. I'll be doing a portfolio reveal next week, so thank you so much for hanging tight, and I'll be showing you every single play, the options I'm working with. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Always consult a professional, and do your own due diligence when working with stocks. Also, just subscribe to the channel. We're close to 200 subscribers. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that we can grow the channel faster. And also, if you want some free stocks, if you're a new investor, use my links below for Webull. Get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. So let's also check Tesla. So you can see Tesla right now is below 600 already. It's about 581. You can see for the month it's gone down like crazy. 3 month let's see, at 885, 872, and then it just went down. So yeah, this also reminds you, if you're kind of needing some money and you've put it in the stock market, to be very careful on your funds. Don't be heavy in one stock unless you really believe in it and you don't worry about the movements. So just be aware that some stocks, if you're not super diversified, may screw your account up a little bit when down days like this happen. So I'm just holding strong. I'm not super worried. I knew that we can't get 100% returns on most of the stocks, which some of them that I have were 100% up, and that's not realistic for the year. So modestly, I'll say in the first several years, the return and the S&P 500 has been maybe 10 to 12%. So if you do double of that, you're pretty good. So I'll say I'm about 30% for the past year. But at the beginning of the year, I was like almost 80%, which I was like, no, this is not possible, because if most people will get that type of return, everybody will be flocking the stock market, but that's not realistic. So that's just a reminder that have realistic expectations of the market. Just because somebody gets lucky, they maybe take 10K and throw it in a penny stock, and the penny stock goes like 20x, and they make like 200K. That's just luck for the most part. Of course, you might have done your DD, but that doesn't happen so often as well. So that's just being honest. But for the most part, expect like 10 to 20% gains in a year. I think that's pretty modest and reasonable. But yeah, that's it for today. So hang tight. Next week I'll be showing you every stock that I own and where I'm at. If I've sold any, I can mention that, because I did sell like some tech stocks maybe 2-3 weeks ago when they were a bit high. So I kind of tried to lock in a little bit of profit from, let's say, Microsoft. I did sell Domo. I did get out of several places, but I'll show you guys next week. Thank you so much for reaching this far. Be green, be safe, and see you on the next one.